All right, let's do section 10.2, page 496, exercise 15, which reads, use the methods of example 5 to find the Taylor polynomial of order 3 generated by f at a, x equals 0, and b at x equals 1. Now we're very lucky because for part A, for the Taylor polynomial generated at x equals 0, our function, which is equal to x cubed minus 2x plus 4, is its own Taylor polynomial. So this right here is my answer to part A. Now for part B, we want to generate the Taylor polynomial, but it's someplace other than 0. We want to generate it at 1. So I've written over here in green the formula that we use. And basically, we're going to have the summation from k equals 0 to n, in our case n is going to be equal to 3, of the kth derivative of f evaluated at a divided by k factorial times x minus a to the k. So basically, we're going to have to find the first 3 derivatives of this function and evaluate them at x equals 1, and then we can substitute them into the formula. So we're going to start with our f of x, which is equal to x cubed minus 2x plus 4. And I'm going to evaluate that at x equals 1. And so that's going to give me 1 minus 2 plus 4, which is going to be equal to 3. And then I'm going to find my first derivative, which is going to be equal to 3x squared minus 2. And when we evaluate that at x equals 1, we are going to get 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. My second derivative is going to be 6x. And of course, when we evaluate that at x equals 1, we're going to get 6. And then finally, my third derivative, evaluated at x, is going to give me 6. And when I evaluate that at x equals 1, I'm still going to get 6. So down the screen here, I have written out the third order Taylor polynomial, and we're just going to substitute our values in here. So P3 of x is going to be equal to f of a, or in this case f of 1, which is going to give us 3, plus f prime of 1, which is 1, times x minus 1, plus f double prime at 1, which is going to give us 6, over 2 factorial times x minus 1 squared, plus our third derivative, which is going to give us 6 over 3 factorial times x minus 1 cubed. And we've just taken our derivatives evaluated at x equals 1 and substituted the numbers in. And we can simplify this just a little bit. And we're going to get 3 plus x minus 1 plus, and I can take that 6 and divide it by 2 factorial and get a 3 times x minus 1 squared. And then when I take 6 and divide it by 3 factorial, remember that 3 factorial is equal to 6, I'm going to get x minus 1 cubed. And that is going to be my answer.